In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Reddit video has no sound. If you're trying to watch a video on Reddit and everything looks normal, but you can't hear anything, there's a very simple fix you should check first. In many cases, the issue is not the Reddit video itself. Instead, your browser tab may be muted, which prevents any audio from playing even though the video continues normally. To begin, go to Reddit in your web browser. Open the page where the video is playing, or find any Reddit video that currently has no sound. Before assuming there's a bigger problem with your device, it's always a good idea to check the tab settings first, because this is one of the fastest and most common solutions. Once Reddit is open, look at the browser tab where the site is loaded. Move your mouse to that tab at the top of the browser window, then right-click on it. This will open a small menu with tab-related options. Depending on the browser you're using, the wording may look slightly different, but the option you need is usually very easy to spot. From that menu, select Unmute tab. If the tab was muted, this will immediately restore sound for Reddit. After clicking it, return to the video and let it play for a moment. You should now hear the audio normally. This happens more often than people realize. Sometimes a tab gets muted by accident, especially if you previously muted a noisy website or used a browser shortcut without noticing. Because of that, this fix is worth trying before changing volume settings, restarting your browser, or troubleshooting your speakers. If you want to confirm that this was the problem, look at the Reddit tab after unmuting it. In many browsers, a muted tab shows a small speaker icon with a line through it. Once the tab is unmuted, that icon usually changes, which lets you know audio is allowed again. So to quickly fix Reddit videos with no sound, simply open Reddit, right-click the Reddit browser tab, and choose Unmute tab. It only takes a few seconds, and in many cases, that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Reddit audio working again.